Hello everyone, pretty hairstyles for your lovely hair. Grab the hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop another rubber band top middle part and make a loop in the middle one and bring the entire hair from the back section to the front through the loop. Then divide it into two and have it braided. Then make the braid go to the respective direction on top and have it folded and have it secured. Get your hair tied in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside, going for the twisted band once again. Then have another rubber band attached to the top middle part and make a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it and drop the entire tail into the first loop we created. Then with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail, split them into three and have it braided. Now once when you start braiding it, have it braided in a thicker manner and have the ends with the rubber band. Then do braid the left section as well. Then make it move to the top through the loop we created and have it come down and combine both of them together at the common rubber band at the bottom. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside, going for the twisted band. Then grab even more section of the hair from the section right below it and have it tied in the far right middle from the first one. Then do grab another section of the hair and go for a twisted band once again. Continue doing the same until you reach the bottom part of the hair and doing the twisted band design again and again. Then after that, with the remaining section of the hair, split them into three and have it braided in a very thicker manner. So once when you finish the braiding, have the end secure with the rubber band and move the braid to the left and have it bent down. Then secure it with the hairpin, then decorate a hairstyle with dropping your lovely hairpin collection. Have your hair tied in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside. You know what to do. Go in for the twisted band. Then with another section of the hair right below it, have another rubber band attached to it and drop it inside. Go in for the twisted band once more. Then with the remaining hair along the tail, split them into two sections and have the left section as such and have the right section go into the left and drop it inside, combining them both. Then braid them together into a common braid and have it secure with the rubber band. Then move the braid to the right and bend the tail down and secure it with your lovely hair clips. Get the sides of your hair tied in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside, going for a twisted band. Then with the remaining section of the hair, split them into three and make ponytails out of the three section. Then have a rubber band at each of the three section on the top part and have a loop in the middle one. Then drop the tail into it, making a twisted design and drop the tail entirely into the first loop we created. Continue doing for all the three ponytails. Then with the remaining section of the hair on the right along with the tail, braid it in a three parts manner. So after braiding it, secure the end with the rubber band and move the braid to the left side and secure it underneath the bun. Get your hair tied in the middle of the rubber band and you know what to do. Drop it inside, going for a twisted band. Then grab another section of the hair from the left right below the first one we had and twist it so much with your hand and drop it inside the first loop we just now created. Continue doing it until you reach the right section. Then along with the tail, have the right section into the braid in a thicker manner. Then have it secure with the rubber band and move it to the left and bend it over and have it in place with the hairpins. Catch the sides of your hair and tie the middle of the rubber band and have another section of the hair right below it and do the same way for 3 times. Then the remaining section of the hair at the bottom, split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Once when you finish the braiding, stretch the sides for making it flat. Then have the braid roll over and make it to the top, making it as a bun. Then have your beautiful hair clutcher. Grab strips of hair from either side of your head and have it tied in between. Then have it secure with the hair clutcher. Then the section of the hair from the left and also with the strip of hair we have braided, but have the strips of hair borrowed from the left into the braids gap. Continue doing the braid until the middle one and have it secure with the rubber band. Then move on to the right section and grab the strips of hair from the right and have it between the braids. Once when you complete the braid, have it secure with the rubber band and combine both the braids together and have your hair clutcher together. Thank you guys for watching this video.